Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to make your Notion workspace look more professional and organized while saving yourself a ton of time, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to edit templates in Notion, the quick and easy way. By the end of this guide, you'll not only know how to add a template, but you'll also be able to customize it so it fits your exact needs. Let's dive in. Let's start by taking advantage of Notion's free templates, which have been designed to look professional right out of the gate. Using these is a fantastic way to skip the messy part of building something from scratch. Imagine you're cooking, and instead of making your own dough, you grab a pre-made pizza base. You just have to add your favorite toppings. That's exactly what templates do for your Notion workspace. First up, look at the top left of your Notion screen. You'll see a little drop-down menu with more options, usually represented by 3 lines or dots. Go ahead and click that. This pulls up a menu with a few choices, but what you're looking for is the Browse Templates option. Sometimes it's easy to overlook, so don't worry if you have to squint a bit to find it. Click on Browse Templates. Now, you're inside Notion's official template library, which is filled with all kinds of options, from content calendars to personal planners, habit trackers, and much more. Take a few moments here to search for a template that catches your eye. If you're brand new, I recommend typing free into the search bar to filter out only the templates that don't require any payment. Some people spend a while hunting for the perfect template, but honestly, it's better to pick one that's close enough, since you can always tweak it later. Once you find a template you like, simply click on it. You'll see a little preview pop up showing what the template looks like and what kinds of features it includes. If it feels right, click the Add button. Don't worry. This won't overwrite any of your existing Notion pages. It'll just add a new page with the template's layout. At this point, the template is now part of your workspace, ready for you to personalize. This is your chance to make it really your own. Start by adding your credentials or any key information that the template asks for. This could be your project name, daily tasks, or calendar dates. For creative templates, you might add your own content, images, or links. The beauty of Notion templates is that nothing is locked. You can edit absolutely anything, whether it's rearranging blocks, rewriting headings, or embedding media. If something doesn't suit your style or workflow, don't hesitate to change it up. Think of it as redecorating a new apartment until it feels just right. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to grab a sharp-looking Notion template and mold it to fit your exact needs, saving you both time and hassle. If this was helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or want help picking out the right template, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials like this. Thanks a lot for watching and happy customizing.